Quizlet. Hi everyone, this is a brief overview of Quizlet as a web-based learning tool. Quizlet is a web-based learning tool that allows users to create study tools such as interactive flashcards, tests, and study games. Quizlet can be used to learn and memorize facts for a variety of subjects including languages, history, science, mathematics, literature, and geography. Its primary uses demonstrate the practice principle, which suggests the need for practice to achieve best learning outcomes. Here's a quick example of setting up vocabulary words for colors in French. So as you can see, I'm going to just type in my title here, and now I'm going to, on the left-hand side, put the English word, and on the right-hand side, I'll put in the French word for our flashcards. So we have red and rouge. Number 2, we'll have yellow, and the French word jaune. And then scrolling down for number 3, we use black, and the French word noir. Scrolling down again for number 4, blue, and the French word bleu. And then scrolling down to our final question we're going to put here is purple, and that would be violet. And now I'm going to, up in the right-hand corner, I'm going to click on Create. And here you can see my set of flashcards. So when you're clicking on the flashcard, to turn it around, you just actually click on the flashcard. And then at the bottom on the right, you click to advance. So you can test, students can test themselves there on the flashcards. With Quizlet, students can choose their own study mode. This allows activity content to be migrated from flashcards to matching games to other types of study games easily and responsively. The principle of learner control is also evident as Quizlet provides teachers and learners a variety of study tools which meet individual learning and assessment needs. So here's an example of our French colors vocabulary using the other materials available on Quizlet. So I'm going to use the flashcards I previously created, and down here I'm going to click on Learn, and it will generate some practice. So it's giving me Jean, I put in my English word, and then it says at the top, correct, nicely done. So it's giving me feedback always. And again, the French noir, and that's black. Now I'm going to go back and move to another tool here on my study set. I'm going to choose Write. So this is similar. It's showing me the French word. I have to write into the English word. Again, the French word. So those are a little bit similar. Now I'm going to move into test. So it will generate some different types of questions. So still I'm putting in either the English or French, and then it will have a multiple choice question. And as the test goes on, it changes. And then the matching game. So again, using the same material, I have to match them by placing them on top of each other. If I get it correct, they disappear. And finally, we'll play a little game of gravity. And this is kind of fun. This is a little bit more gamified. You can choose your difficulty. And as it's falling, I have to, here at the bottom, type in the French word. So it tells us type your answer French. So purple, okay, put in my answer. And here comes one more. And you can see on the left-hand side my score and what level I'm at. So it's constantly giving feedback throughout. So active learning is encouraged through gamification of study material and the ability to earn badges, and this helps students become more engaged and keep students motivated. Quizlet can be an effective assessment tool. Teachers can use test mode to create and print a test with different types of randomly generated questions based on the content in any study set. You can also have your students use test mode on the Quizlet website. Quizlet can continually be used for formative assessment through online study sets. Feedback is given to students every time they progress through an activity. Teachers with an upgraded account can also import data using Google Classroom. One of the great things about Quizlet is its portability and flexibility. It's available on any device or PC, and you can access it anywhere. Students can practice with study sets on the go. So, in conclusion, Quizlet offers a variety of study sets and methods for practicing learning. It can be used across the curriculum. It offers personalized learning. It promotes active and gamified learning. It can be an assessment tool. And it is flexible and portable, so students can learn on the go.